Hi, today we've installed a Pandora Light Pro to this Audi RS7 2014. The alarm comes with the Pandora long range remote control and a Bluetooth tag. You carry on using the original remote control to arm and disarm the alarm. The alarm comes standard with a dual stage impact sensor. It's got a tilt motion sensor as well. This customer has added the remote engine start to his alarm. So you simply use the long range remote to remotely start the car. Once the alarm is started, the car is still fully protected. So the doors are still locked.